What's good, Soul Fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. Video, as would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father and make we lift up the world, yeah.
So we just make some cherry juicy boy them.
Hey.
Yes, so fly fam. So the idea is to squeeze the cherries, squeeze it, get the juice out of it into the water. So that's the idea. Yeah, as we are saying, the first we are do this for my boys them. So we just hope them like it. So at first we are do it. So we just hope them like it. So we just make it and hope them like it. Yeah, and when preparing food or making juice, my boy, them it kinda tricky. Cause one of them love juice and one of them picky. So as we say, we just pray, say them love the juice. So always as we say, we just squeeze the juice. Yeah, man. Boy, don't know watch me squeeze the juice and subscribe. Is it me? Man, ask. You subscribe yet? Yeah, you me attack. You right there, so subscribe, no man. Remember to turn on the post notification. Me now move to the. You turn it on yet? Yeah, turn it on. Subscribe, man. Come over to that side, yeah. So we are gonna squeeze. We are strain this like. We are strain it 3 to 4 times. Yeah. And then we are gonna sweeten it. Now I woulda put in with ginger, but as we say, boys them picky. So we now put no ginger in there. So we just make it just so. And here come the moment of truth. Knock and drink your juice, huh? Drink your juice, huh? I'm alone like it. The next one I like it. See, put back the cup in my hand. Like 2 back lemon drink.